I'm going to start with my first test case, January 1753. I did check all of these beforehand, so the dates are accurate. It does start on a Monday. February 1753 is a Thursday. January 1754, a Tuesday. February 1756 is a Sunday. February 1800 is a Saturday. And February 2000 is indeed a Tuesday. Then if I go through my text, it will come back with month must be a number between 1 and 12. 0 won't work, 13 won't work, but 11 will. And it does prompt for the month until you give them an accurate answer. Then for year, error won't work. A year between 1753, if I do, and later, -1 won't work, 1752 won't work, and 2019 will. And that is a Friday.